Nathaniel, come on. Come here. It's easy. Stop kicking it under the... Come on. Come here.
Where are you going?
Come here. Come here. Come on. You got it. Oh.
Nathaniel, come here.
Here, go walk to Mama. Walk to Mama. You got it. Watch out for that sprocket.
What are you doing? Huh?
Come on.
Yeah. You got it. Good job, buddy.
What are you going to do now?
He just drops it. Don't kick it. Grab it.
Oh. Oh.
Nathaniel. Hi.
What the?
Hi, buddy.
My spot.